Jay Swaminarayan, myself, Kumudini Nalaude, Atme Green School, Standard 5th, subject GK. So we have studied about the sports person and their great performance. So here is also one extra question, that is B. Which of these four players have won World Amateur Billiards title? Geet Sethi, Michael Ferrer, then Wilson Jones and Manoj Kothari. So surprisingly, all these four players has won the World Amateur Billiards title. Okay, fine. So here we have also studied about this great person, Prakash Padukone. So I think everyone know about him and his daughter Deepika Padukone. So let's know about the Prakash Padukone. The All England Badminton Championship is the most prestigious badminton tournament for individual. Only two Indians have won it so far. The first person is Prakash Padukone in 1980 and the Pulia Gopichand in 2001. Krishnan Sasikiran is a regular member of Vishwanathan Anand's preparation team and a chess grandmaster himself. So these are the great sports person you have to know about this. Okay, so you have to admire and feeling proud about this Indian sports person. Fine. So let's start our next chapter. Okay, it is sports headline. So what it includes, here we study about the different championship in different sports. So I think everyone was watching the sports, different type of sports championships. So can anyone tell me the championships? Okay, we will start from our favorite game, that is cricket. So cricket के championship बता सकता है कोई? So many championships or matches are played there. So most of the famous championship, can anyone tell? Yes, the first one is ICC World Cup, then ICC Championship, right na? T20 World Cup, Champion League 20, then Border Gavaskar trophies, and so many championships, right? So there are famous teams, like first is our Indian cricket team, then Australian, Zimbabwe, South Africa. So many teams are made world record in batting and in bowling, in fielding, and also in scoring the largest, taking the maximum wickets in the match. Okay, then match turning person, that means he has taking the great performance in the match. So which award is given? Man of the match, right? And I think in the okay, so let's see the about hockey. In hockey, can anyone tell me the championships? Olympic Games, Hockey World Cup, then Champion Trophy, Men's FS Pro League. Okay, so what about badminton? In badminton, there are Grand Slam Trophy, then Olympics, Buff World Championships. Okay, what about football? So in football, there are Confederation Cup, FA Cup, then African Cup of Nations, and so many matches are there. So today we'll discuss about which team is win in which year, okay, and which team is defeated and which team is win here. Okay, so let's start. Fine. Sports headline. Tick the correct options. In 2017, Pakistan defeated India or Bangladesh in final championship trophy of hockey or cricket tournament played in England. So can anyone tell me in 2017 final match championship trophy? So it is championship trophy of cricket tournament, right? Which is played in England. And here Pakistan defeated Pakistan defeated India in final championship trophy. Okay, fine. So next, In 2017, Rohan Bopanna won his first Grand Slam trophy and became the fourth Indian tennis player to do so. After Leander Paes, Mahesh Bhupati, Sania Mirza. Okay, do you know these names? These are great Indian tennis players. Okay, Rohan Bopanna, then here Leander Paes, Mahesh Bhupati, Sania Mirza, Sania Nehwal is there, and so many tennis players are there. Can you name anyone? Fine. So he won the mixed double title at the Australian Open, French Open. So it is French Open, partnering with Gabriela Dabrowski of Canada. So yes, Rohan Bopanna in 2017 won his first Grand Slam trophy and became the fourth Indian tennis player to do so. After Leander Paes, Mahesh Bhupati, Sania Mirza, he won the mixed double title of French Open, partnering with Gabriela Dabrowski. तो उसके पहले रोहन बोपान्ना के पहले कौन कौन से प्लेयर्स ने ये मैच जीती थी? तो लियांडर पेस, महेश भूपति और सानिया मिर्जा ने ये ग्रैंड स्लैम ट्रॉफी जीती थी. Next, coached by Stephen Constant in 2017, India broke into top 100 ranking in the world, football or hockey for the first time in 2 decades. So it is football team, right? So the coach Stephen Constant in 2017, India broke into top 100 ranking in the world for football. Okay, so answer is football for the first time in 2 decades. Fine. Then next, here under head coach Ronald Olsman, the Indian men basketball or hockey team has become improving performance in recent years. रिसेंट ईयर में किसमें परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा किया है इंडियन टीम ने, बास्केटबॉल में या हॉकी में, जिनके कोच कौन है? रोनाल्ड ऑल्समन. Yes, it is a hockey team. So what will the answer here? Under the head coach Ronald Olsman, the Indian men's hockey team has been improving his performance in recent sector. Okay, so when the coach, best coach we get for our team, we get our मतलब the team gets the best guidance, and under best guidance and the great performance, then they can do in their championships. So next, India won the 2016. India won the 2016 Dash World Cup in the Ahmedabad. Kabaddi or volleyball? So it is in Ahmedabad. So I think everyone know about it. Have you seen this match on TV or your own self on the ground? Okay, so India won 2016 Kabaddi World Cup in the Ahmedabad. Next, in 2016, Kami Rita Chepra from Nepal became the third person after Appa Chepra and Purba Tashi Chepra to climb Mount Everest or cycle around the world for a record 21 times. So what is Mount Everest? Can anyone tell me about Mount Everest? It is the highest mountains in our in India, right? So what will the answer? Climb on Mount Everest or cycle around the world? So it is climb on the Mount Everest. So we can say here in 2017, Kami Rita Chepra from Nepal became the third person after Appa Chepra and Purba Tashi Chepra to climb Everest for a record of 21 times. Can you imagine? It is about 21 times he has climbed the Mount Everest. Then next, in 2017, the ICC Women's World Cup has held in England, and Okay, in 2017, ICC Women World Cup has held in England and was won by the